Yo, me say, come here, guys, so me pray out the boy, and then me just start look round and see if nobody else step out.
So them attack you from behind numbers?
Wipe on the behind still, but them attack me, but 9 of them.
You see any of them face?
I tell you, say, alone master boy them a ball. All out like 3 the boy them a jump from.
So why them come for you?
Omega, you know, listen me talk. I tell you, say, this is true me as a youth. This is my work, it's undercover. I say true me as a computer genius, and enough of them after me.
But after you for what?
Information. Enough information me have, you know. Whole heap of things, you know.
Legal information?
Legal and illegal sometimes.
Then suppose you go back to prison.
Omega, me tell you this. Me, nah go back to prison. Me too skilled for that.
You know I'm getting in no trouble, you know.
You're not getting in trouble, daughter. Believe me, no?
Then if you do illegal things and me associate with you, no trouble that.
Omega, believe me when I tell you this. Me not gonna make nothing happen to you. Yo, feel up on a different level, you know?
I check for you too. But your life full of too much drama.
Yeah, me I say. I just the right empress me need to settle in with, and everything about alright.
You sure about that?
Never tell a lie.
Numbers. You're not afraid sometimes.
Fear. I tell you something. I just alone me fear. Me no fear no man, no guy, no time.
But like how you sure of yourself.
Jah am my protector. Me, no man.
Wagwan, man.
Wagwan Savage.
Everything good, man. But you depend.
Nothing, me just, they are all a reason with the empress, you know?
What? You're impressed this?
Yeah, man.
Not him empress. Just him good friend for now.
Well, it's nice to meet you. I didn't get your name.
Omega. My name is Omega.
Well, pleasure to meet you. Hola. Omega. So numbers. That means that you're Alpha. Well, my name is Raymond. And I'm a good friend of his as well.
Nice to meet you.
Well, Amiga, Alpha and I need to have a little talk. You don't mind if we just walk for a little bit?
No, me no mind.
Okay. Alpha, you have a minute of your time?
Yeah, man, Raymond. Me a forward. So far. Yeah. Stay right, sir. Yeah. Sabu, I want me to know. Me talk to your boss, you know, and then give me an assignment, you know, and tell me say more.
Numbers or Alpha. Calm down now, man. Let me tell you one thing you've learned. Never volunteer information unless somebody asks you something. And even then, you have to be careful, brother.
I'm not thinking tell you about it.
Maybe he did. Maybe he didn't.
So what I visit you for?
Well, since you look like you love take up assignment, I have one for you.
Savage, hear me, I say. Really check for that data. About 3 months now, me a bleach. But she not too give me no forward because she not like the looks lifestyle, brother. I get me a try run from.
So, I need to work on it. Loose lifestyle. Settle down.
You know the strips, brother. What may I talk about?
Then in that case, brother, you have got to stop telling lie.
I'm not really telling her no lie.
Brother, you remember when I tell you, don't volunteer too much information?
Yeah.
Brother, you know I got more while, you know. Sometimes you talk some story to get a girl interested in you, and you know what I mean? But your story, them too fantastical, my lad.
What was I saying?
Speak the truth and speak it ever. Cause you what it will.
So yes, if you just tell her, say me I do some undercover work for the agency and say some agents just come knock me out and carry me go around Mullins' office and give me an assignment for do.
How would the bomb? Numbers. Listen carefully. You see, any story you want to tell, you can't tell her, say you get knocked out, you know. Yeah, man, them mash you up. Just if you want to call the agency name, I promise you, say you're going to wake up. You're going to name Amiga. You understand?
Completely.
No. Mullins did ask you to get some information on Carlton Wallace and Tony Esperanza, right?
Yeah.
So what you find out?
Well, he asked me if I put a bump on Carlton phone, see? And they don't do that.
Numbers. You now look out, you know.
No.
If you teach her everything.
Hold on, I never know say the security them work that section. You understand? Yeah, put a little bump on Carlton phone, but he was going. You notice him go a couple of places where I really building supplies them place then supply, but him go one warehouse. And the only thing that we kind of look off on the little trip we make still. But the warehouse are some you know, like food and toiletries and them kind of thing there. And them things that they are the warehouse there. But with Tony Esperanza now, when I call the man, it's like the man never stay up on the phone long enough for me really get to put a track up on him phone, see, because him say not do business on that phone there. So what the man do is like him just talk fast and then go so bam. And we never talk to him like a normal person still. I talk to him, give him a look at English accent, but I don't know.
You have an idea then?
You change all him phone in a brother. Change him number in a.
Numbers. You need to go give the man a visit, you know, on a dead. Find a relative or dead now and check you. Empress, I get impatient.
Yeah, and you know, hold up a question thing. So this one, I'm about to say, I think, why, you know what I mean? Do you think?
I know what you mean,
Think alright.
Hear more, you do. There's a container down at the wharf with Carlton Wallace's name on it. I send you the information. We need you to do a trace on it and tell me where it come from and who are the sender.
Consider it done, boss.
As me send you the info, man, you jump on it right away.
No delay.
Anyway, Alpha, going back to Omega.
Hey, sorry.
Yo,
Respecting our brother.
for what?
I mean, Tom's finna show me up in front of his sister. You know what I mean? Cause I know your style.
Everybody deserves a second chance, Numbers. Zero one wise. Find a woman in here.
Baby girl.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything alright, man. My brother come link me, you know. Want the money for borrow, but I really walk with so much cash, you know. Hold on there, I think hold on. Yes, Savage. Brother, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna draw the money and make you have it, man. Just make sure say next week we deal with it, yeah? Alright.
Me I come go home. Cause me have things to do.
Alright. Follow you got the taxi stand and put it on a taxi.
Hello? Hi. You there where? You there Jamaica? Hold on, you there at the airport? Alright. I'm on the way. I'll come in.
In 200 meters, you'll arrive at Norman Manley International Airport. Arrived at your destination.
Well, on, babe. Welcome home. So, Miranda, you coming to Jamaica and you don't say nothing to me. We are talking everything good. And you just wait till you reach at the airport to call me and say, oh, I'm here. Why?
Well, Ray, no, I was on assignment. And you know how those things go. I'm gonna let you know. But you're an old friend that I decided why not.
Old friend. But they said, you know.
Well, I'd prefer if we just let the past stay in the past.
Well, okay. Old friend. What brings you to Jamaica?
I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
I would die a happy man. But as you said, that's past.
So, what have you been doing with yourself?
Exactly as you see it. Relaxing, enjoying the sea, and looking at my past.
Well, you've always been a very in-the-moment man, haven't you?
Well, that's exactly who I am. And you know me very well. I'm always living in the moment.
That's very sexy, Ray. Until it's not. We all need stability.
Well, I realized after I left Colombia, about a year now, you suddenly went deep undercover. Almost missing. But I guess it must have been really, really undercover. I mean, if you care to share, tell me what you've been up to.
It wasn't anything undercover. It was more like me time. The agency gave me some time and I took it because I really needed it.
Me time. Well, I'll tell you so. Me time is always good and needed.
That's something you never understood. You're the very definition of a workaholic.
Wow.
So do you want to know why I'm here?
Yeah, that would be nice. I mean, that's present day information that old friends would do.
I'm here to give you some information on guns coming into Jamaica through Central America. Pero estoy aquí para dar información sobre Antonio Esperanza.
Well, this must be divine intervention. That you're here on a case involving Tony Esperanza. And I'm also working on a case with Tony Esperanza.
Muy interesante. Well, I'm here for a week. So after I've given my information, I'll just be headed back home.
Interesting. Well, you can start giving me the information right now.
As much as I'd love to, sweetheart, I've received orders to divulge this information to a David Mullins.
And they didn't tell you that I'm the second in command?
Well, you should know that I only deal with the top dogs.
Hey, you remember that raid at Hotel Copacabana? Right after that, we sat down hours on the beach and talked about how much we were gonna get rid of this life and just be together. I mean, no matter how dangerous it was gonna be, and make a life. And then after that, you just whoop, deep, went missing, dark, gone. What happened?
Wow. I'm just realizing how much you don't know. They found out I was a mole. And they sent people from me. I got shot.
What? Hold on, wait. You got shot after the job? What? This is after I left?